All right, in this video, we are going to talk about a principle called the law of diminishing return on investment, or the law of diminishing return on goals. And what this law or this principle or this rule is about is how whatever goal you set, you will always end up doing the work to reach that goal, but realize that when you've done that work, it actually only brings you to a level below. And this is because of that irrational future optimism bias we talked about. What happens is we set that goal, we say we're going to lose 20 pounds or we're going to lose 30 pounds or 80 pounds or whatever it is. And we set up how all of these things we're going to do. And then we go out and we start doing them, and one of two things happens. Either life comes up and something gets in the way and it slows our progress by that 5 or 10 or 20%, and then we get frustrated because we had this goal and we're not reaching it. Or number two, if it's not something coming up, sometimes our actual goal that we've set or the actual actions that we've set to reach that goal are underestimating what it actually takes to get to that goal. So we naturally underestimate how much work it takes to reach that goal. So if we think 20 pounds, we might put in this level of effort here, but it actually was this level of effort that we needed to reach that goal. Those two major factors will contribute to us underachieving almost any goal we set. And this is where self-compassion comes in. We need to be aware that this is going to happen. Even if you know this, even if you plan for this, you're still going to underachieve your goals. Happens to me all the time, happens to Rachel all the time, all of our coaches. It's not something that you can completely remove. It's going to be worse for some people and better for others, but it will always happen, so always plan for it. So if you're gunning for that 20 pounds, do what you think you need to do to lose 25 or 30. Don't just stick with that 20 pounds as the target. Actually aim for 25 or 30, and you're going to have a much higher chance of actually achieving that goal. And this is something that will pay huge dividends over time. Obviously, it's going to be a huge increase in effort off the start, but it makes a massive difference if you can increase that effort and overshoot the target. It goes back to that old saying, if you aim for the stars and you miss, or if you aim for the moon and you miss, you're going to land amongst the stars. And that's basically the main principle here, is you want to make sure you're aiming high so that you hit that next level lower goal. And that's it.